G'day, welcome back. I'm going to be working on the Nugget today. I'm going to take this extended drawbar off. I did buy it second hand and someone's put this the extended drawbar on, so I'm going to chop that off and put a new jockey wheel on it as well. It's a ARK 500, I think, the heavy duty ones. So we'll have a crack at that. Set the GoPro up and put it through time lapse, and we'll chop that off and hopefully make it a little bit easier to get over some things, because I plan on taking it up Cape York a little bit later in the year. So that will definitely help on some of the tracks that I'm planning to take it down. Let's get into it. So I ran into a drama yesterday where my 5-inch grinder couldn't get the welds right up in the front here. So I've had to go out and buy a 7-inch grinder, and that should then hopefully give me enough length to get those last couple of welds. I've already taken the hitch off, so we'll get those last couple of welds this morning, put the hitch back on, and then weld the chains and that back to the old drawbar and fit the new jockey wheel. Alright, so trying to cut the drawer off the trailer, I needed to go out and get a 7-inch grinder, so I've gone out and got this Flex 7-inch. I didn't want to spend a heap of money for a job. I was pretty close to putting a 7-inch wheel on my 5-inch. Doing the right thing, got a proper tool. Let's have a look at it. I really don't mind if it doesn't last after this, as long as it gets that job done. It is what it is. I don't really have a use for a 7-inch grinder, but yeah, kind of beats taking the guard off a 5-inch and putting a 7-inch wheel on it. So that was sort of the motivation behind this one. Guard, fairly long power cord, which is good. Pretty good. It's got multiple spots for the handle to get screwed onto, which is pretty good. 5-inch doesn't have that. Screw that on. Tool. Allen key. That can go on. Alright, let's see how this goes on the trailer and finish the trailer job. It's an ARK 500. These are the off-road jockey wheels. Dual wheels, comes just as that with the backing plates. So I've just chucked that on the drawbar, put these wheels on, adjust it down to height, and that should be about it. One of the reasons I wanted to go to this one, because the adjustable stalk, or whatever you want to call it, you can bring that down pretty much as far as, well, that's as long as it goes, and then you wind your jockey wheel down the rest of the way, rather than job done. Mint. So this is actually fairly high up. It is because the back of my concrete here is up on an angle going up into the shed, so obviously that's not normally the height that it would sit at. Otherwise I probably would have opted up to the 750 version, which is obviously longer and heavier as well. Cool. Another job done for the trailer.